If nothing works for you, no manifestation technique works for you, then this technique will definitely work for you. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I talk about manifestation, law of attraction, spirituality, growth, mindset, and everything to change your life in the best way. So let's start this video. What is this video about? This video is all about 10k affirmation challenge. I took this challenge and I seen a lot of good results in my life. So I want you to try this challenge, okay? So what is this 10k challenge? So in this 10k challenge, what you have to do, you just have to take one goal or one reality you want to happen in your life, but the manifestation you want to come into your reality. You have to take that and then you have to make affirmations around that. Like let's take an example. If you want to score good marks in your exam, what you gonna say, what you gonna do? So you have to affirm it like, I am the topper of this exam and I get this much marks in my exam. You have to affirm it like that for straight 10,000 times. Yeah, 10,000 times is a lot, but it's not that much a lot, okay? So you have to affirm it for 10,000 times. And for that, like, if you guys having problem that how we get to know that I completed 10,000 times or I just completed 1,000 times, how we gonna know? So for that, you have one telecounter app. This app is not sponsored, like nobody tell me to. The promotion of this app is just an app which I use for that thing. So you can use this telecounter app and in that app you can count your affirmations just by clicking it. Like you repeat one affirmation, then click on that, then again you have to repeat this process, okay? Now the next thing is what will happen and how it works, because we are curious about that, okay? So when you affirm one affirmation is straight, when you affirm one affirmation continuously, your mind gonna receive that thing as repeatedly and that thing will gonna register in your subconscious mind, and you know that what is going inside our subconscious mind is gonna come into reality. That's why when you repeat this affirmation 1,000, 10,000 times, you wanna receive what you want in your reality, okay? So the core idea of this is that when you affirm this, your subconscious mind gonna receive this and it's gonna make it come into your reality, okay? So it's like simple if based on this, when you repeat this affirmation continuously, your subconscious mind gonna receive that and your subconscious mind gonna store that and bring it into your reality. It's simple, like what you put in is gonna come out in your reality, okay? So how this worked for me. So I was uploading videos on my YouTube. I was uploading shorts on my YouTube channel and I was getting views. It's not like I was not getting views. I was getting views, but as previous, nobody is subscribing my channel. I don't know why. Maybe universe in some science. So I tried this and boom, I got 200 subscribers in just one day. You cannot believe. I was too shocked, but I knew that this is gonna happen. And I received 200 subscribers in just one day. And I know that I'm gonna hit 25k subscribers at the end of this year, 2025. And you guys are gonna help me in that, okay? So, let's manifest together, okay? So, now, you have to try this technique and it will work, definitely work for you. Cause it is simple. It does not make any doubts in your mind that, oh, it's gonna happen or it's gonna not happen. Just do it, okay? So, like, it works for you when you believe in it. Like all the manifestations video you watch on YouTube and all the manifestation videos, all the manifestation lesson I taught on YouTube is all around what you believe is what's gonna happen in your life. Is what you put actions in is gonna happen in your life. In what you thought about, what you think all the time about something, it's gonna happen in your life. If you think negative thing gonna come in your life. If you think positive gonna happen in your life. This all works around all the manifestation, like a step. This is just another step which you can try. And this will definitely work for you, because this work a lot of time for all the people who does not even believe in manifestation. This work for them too. So it's definitely gonna work for you, okay? So make sure to try this. I tried it so many times, like I don't even have counts of that. Like I tried it for my hairs when my hair was falling so much. So I tried it for my hair and I got results. And I tried it for my height too. I increased 2 inches from my height and that's big thing for me. So I tried it for so many things. So many I manifested a lot of things with that. So you can do it too. You have to just believe and just do it. Your manifestation is gonna come magically like this. So believe it, make it happen in your life, and let's meet in another video. So make sure to subscribe and like this video so that others find this video too and manifest anything they want in their life. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.